Well, good morning to Snowmageddon in Wannock, December 20th, 2022. Thank God, there comes the plow. That should be a help. And looks like we got another foot last night. Cold and dry with the wind chill -21 for tonight. A little bit ridiculous. Beautiful, but I'm totally over it. Let's go out and see how the horses made out last night. Back to hauling buckets of hot water. That's great for making the beet pulp and the grain. Trying to get some extra water into the horses. And looks like we have a whole bunch more clearing of snow to do today. Good morning, guys. Oh, there's Mommy's shrill voice. Hello and good morning, Frosty Ponies. Hello, Kelly. I know you're pretty snowy, aren't you? Thank you for coming inside. Oh, there's everybody outside. Hey, Butchie. Hi, Clyde. How you doing? Hi, Snoopy. I'm inside where it's warm. Hey, you think there's enough snow, guys? I think you're pretty much buried out there. Huh, Lucy? Oh, I know. Don't worry. I'll get you back. Hi, guys. Yes. You can see the icicles hanging. Junior has some as well. Holy smokes. Oh well, good for some shoveling today. Good morning, Miss Ellie. Hi, Pony. Oh gosh, come on. Alexa, play Rock 101. Well, here we go, the work begins.